That flashing yellow light on your Xfinity modem usually means it's struggling to establish a stable internet connection. Specifically, it often indicates a problem with the upstream signal, which is the data your modem sends back to Xfinity. This can be due to two main issues: modem registration failure or a poor upstream signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. Modem registration is when your modem authenticates with Xfinity's network. If this fails, often due to outdated firmware or network overload, you'll see that yellow light. The upstream SNR measures the quality of the signal your modem sends. A good SNR is between 30 to 40 dB. If it drops below 20 dB, the connection becomes unstable, triggering the flashing yellow light. Common culprits include loose or damaged coax cables, interference from other devices, or even weather-related signal loss. You may also experience congestion due to remote work surges and increased smart home device usage. Fortunately, there are a few things you can try. First, the simplest solution is often the best. Power cycle your modem and router. Unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, and plug them back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, inspect all your coax cables for any looseness or damage. Make sure they're securely connected to both your modem and the wall. If you find any damaged cables, replace them. You can also check your modem's web interface, usually accessible by typing 10.0.0.1 into your browser to view your SNR levels. If you're still seeing a flashing yellow light after these steps, it's time to contact Xfinity support. There might be a larger issue with the network in your area, or they might need to boost your signal remotely. Also, Xfinity's support app now includes AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect SNR imbalances, offering self-fixes like modem reboots or cable swaps. The future looks promising with the planned rollout of DOCSIS 4.0 by 2027, which should significantly improve upstream speeds and signal stability, potentially eliminating these issues altogether.